All right. So I am not an expert. I am a beginner at this. Dug a hole, made sure I left 3 inches above the dirt so dirt doesn't come in when it rains. Beer break, that's a Red Horse beer. That's a Filipino beer. You guys should try that. So that's the basin, made sure it's leveled. Cut some rebars, tie them with wires. That's for the base, for the water fountain. Drill the hole on that basin for the tube. Put some net to filter the dirt. I found these stones on my yard. Drilled holes, put rebars to put or to hold the stones together. Clean the pebbles. There it is. Another beer break. That's Czech Republic beer. Especially it's raining, it's refreshing. So I got my bamboos, cut them into pieces, and I just kind of put my own twist on it in terms of design. Put some rebars to hold the bamboos together. That top basin, that's the original plan. That's a hypertufa that I made, but I didn't like how it looked. So I changed it. I found another stone on my yard. Yes, that's how we Filipinos work, shorts and slippers, but I got my eye and ear protection though. So I grinded that stone, again, rebars to hold those stones together. And there it is. Again, as you can see, I'm not an expert. Just kind of woke up one day, got bored, thought of doing something like this. Thanks for watching.